Friends, welcome to physics class. In the previous class, how to learn about practice some problems based on the critical angle. Now today in this class we goes to another new topic. The name of the new topic is total internal reflection. What is the total internal reflection? Total internal reflection is defined as when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. The light ray gets reflected into a denser medium at the interface, that is light ray never enters the rarer medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. Okay, students. Once again, what is the definition of total internal reflection? When the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. What happened? The light ray gets reflected into denser medium at the interface, that is never enters the rarer medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. Already we know that what is the critical angle. What is the critical angle? When the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium at particular angle of incidence, the angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees. Such the angle of incidence is called a critical angle. And that means when the angle of incidence, when the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, it grazes along to the surface of two mediums is called critical angle for denser medium. Okay, friends, have to look at this is known as interface. This is interface of two separating mediums. The mediums above the interface is taken as rarer medium. The medium which is below the interface is taken as denser medium. Generally, we take water in denser medium. This is that water is taken as denser medium. When the ray of light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, what happens? It will get refraction. the refracted rays goes into rarer medium. Rarer medium. Where does the ray of light is incident at the interface of two separating medium? At a point, we draw a normal line NN. NN is a normal line. Now, if the angle of incidence at which the refracted angle it becomes to 90 degree, that means when the ray of light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, it will get refraction. The refracted ray does not goes in rarer medium. The refracted rays goes along to that the interface of two separating mediums. That's the angle of incidence is called critical angle. Critical angle. If when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, what happens? The light ray is reflected into denser medium. Light ray is reflected into denser medium. That is, this light ray is never enter rarer medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. Okay, friends, here notice that when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, the light rays reflected into denser medium at the surface of two separating mediums. That is, the light ray never enters rarer medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. The total internal reflection, the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. The light ray does not go into rarer medium. It gets reflected into denser medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. Okay, friends, this phenomena is involving many interesting situations around us in our daily life situations. There are many interesting situations are involving the phenomena of total internal reflection. One is the best situation is that mirage. Mirage is the best example of it is an interesting situation had noticed in our surroundings in our life. Okay, friends, what is that the mirage? Mirage, it is the witness. It is the witness while we have driving or walking on a road duration of hot summer days. And that is what is the mirage? Mirage is, it is an optical illusion. Optical illusion. That means the water has collected on the road. We can see that at a distant place. But we can go that place, we not find out any water. This is called mirage. Mirage is that it is an example for the refractive index of medium. It changes throughout the medium. It is the best example. Okay, friends, this is known as a surface of road. Surface of the road. Duration of hot summer days, the air just above the road is hot air. This is a hot air. Hot air. When it goes from high level, what happens? The hot air becomes to that cool air. Becomes to cool air. And here, what happened? We goes to at a high level. And that means at higher altitudes, the air becomes to that cool. That is, the cool air is present at high level. The hot air is present just above the surface of the road. That means we notice that when it goes to altitudes, what happens? The temperature is decreases. Temperature is decreases. It decreases when it goes to high level. That is, temperature decreases, result in the air becomes to cool. Cool. That is, here increase the density of air. Density of air is increases. We know that the refractive index of medium is increases with the density is the increases. That is, the refractive index of medium is increase with height. So that's that surface at the top surface, the refractive index of air is that maximum. The refractive index of air is maximum, and it is the greater than the refractive index of hot air. Here the refractive index of hot air is the lower value. Refractive index of hot air is the lower value, but in case of the refractive index of air at a higher level is maximum value. And here we notice that the refractive index is not same throughout that medium. The refractive index of medium is changes throughout that medium. We notice that the light is travel faster in the medium of rarer than compared to that denser. When the light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium or denser medium to rarer medium, the change in its speed resultant it will get refraction. Okay friends, now the light is coming from that sky or any tree light is coming. It is passes through that the medium of high refractive index medium to low refractive index of medium. The light ray it will get suffer, it will get refraction. The refracted rays is take the curved path. The refracted ray will take the curved path and to reach that observer. Okay friends, the light is coming from the sky or any tall object or any tall tree. The rays are traveling from the refractive index of higher medium to the refractive index of lower medium. What happens to the speed of the light? What happened? It will occur refraction. The refracted ray to reach that observer, but the observer feel that the refracted ray appears to the light is reflected from that ground. So that's why you can feel that the illusion of water. The illusion of water is present on the ground. That means the water has collected on the road, but here there is no water is presented. Here only to present the virtual image of the sky. The virtual image of sky is the virtual image is the formed on the ground. It is appears to that the water has collected on the road. Or the inverted image of the tree. The inverted image of the tree is the fall on the ground. What is the reason? Because of due to that the refracted ray to reach the observer, he was feel that the ray of light is coming from that the reflection of light from the ground. Okay, what is the reason here? The refracted ray takes the curved path because of a total internal reflection. So it is that the phenomenon of total internal reflection is involving that the formation of the mirage. Okay friends, what is the example? The mirage, it is an example of the phenomenon of a total internal reflection. What is the mirage? It is the water has collected on the road. When we see that a distant place, when you go to that place, you do not find out any water. It is the best example of to change the refractive index of medium throughout that medium. Okay friends, how to look at that figure. Now how to the surface of the road just above the air is the hot air, but we go to that high level, the air becomes that cool. That is the density of air is the increases. That means the refractive index of the air is the increases. That is the refractive index of medium is the greater than and compared to that hot air. When the light is coming from the sky or any tall object or any tall tree, what happens? The rays are traveling from the higher refractive index of medium to the lower refractive index of medium. It will get suffer to refraction. The refracted rays take the curved path due to the total internal reflection. The refracted rays to reach the observer, he was feel that the rays of they are coming from that ground, but there it is the feel that the illusion of the water on the ground, but there is no water is the present. That is only the virtual image of the sky is the formed on the ground. Otherwise the inverted image of tree is the fall on the ground. So that's why the formation of image, it is the best example of the total internal reflection. Okay friends, okay, tomorrow we'll continue next class.